up, everyone? I hope you've been well. The girls are joining me here today in the Ocala National Forest. We have entered off of Highway 40. It basically separates Ocala from the northern portion and the southern portion, and today we have entered on the southern portion. So today I'm looking to just have fun wheeling. Being where I'm at now, I want to continue down south and head on over to the southeastern portion where things start to get a little bit sloppy and messy. But for right now, let's just see what kind of mess I can get myself into today. Just been continuing south for a good couple miles here. I'm about to cut east and kind of wiggle over to where the bombing range is. Now, I've never been over to the bombing range. I don't know what it's like. I'm very interested to see what it is like. But yeah, just getting off that one good main road there, getting down onto this new eastward one. Looks like it could be a type of trail that's gonna get kind of tight, but we're just gonna have to see. But either way, we'll keep on pushing. So I'm coming up on the trail that I was gonna take to get over to the bombing range, and like I said, I've never been there, but it appears like the gate is closed up there. So I'm gonna cut back down south and continue on to trying to get to the southeast portion of Ocala here. So continuing south, but I'm still right next to the bombing range, and it looks like I can cut over and still head towards it on this trail. The trail I'm on actually looks like it goes straight through the almost the center of the bombing range, and I'm coming up to it now, and obviously it's all fenced off, but here is where I was trying to get to, and there's the bombing range there. And that's the trail I was trying to get to earlier, but it does look like I can continue off to the right here. So I'm gonna scoot on down this one and see where this takes me. Took that turn there that puts us heading east again, so now we're just traveling along the southern part of the bombing range. It's called the Pinecastle Electronic Warfare Range, and it's a U.S. Navy bombing range. It's pretty cool that you can get close to it. Obviously, you don't want to get too close to it. But some of these signs say unexploded bombs, some say lasers in use, and things like that. And stay out. There's some trails that you can see, but they've burned them up with dirt piles. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, we're just gonna continue east and start heading south again here in a little bit to get to the area that I want to try to get to tonight. Go north a little bit here just to get to an area where you can cross 19. I'm gonna pull off here by this lake real quick, let the girls out, let them stretch their legs, and go to the bathroom if they need to. Come on, girls, come. So I decided to give the girls a little bit of a longer walk around this lake as far as I could. They're troopers with the wheeling. They love going. They just hang out. They sit. They lay in the back of the truck and just ride around, check things out. It wears them out pretty good for the end of the day. But if you ever wondered what they do, they just lay around. But they've been riding for a good while today, so they definitely deserve a nice little long walk here. Well, so we're coming up to the that 19 road now. I have to get on it for just a short period and head south on it to get to the next trail where I'm going to cut into Ocala again. Just a little bit. I always try to find the two nearest trails on the roadway because you're aired down to 11, 12 psi. It's just not safe to be driving on the road for too long at too high of speeds. You're gonna, really heat up your tires doing that and all. Well, the girls and I have just gotten to the power line road that I've been heading towards all day. It's a very rough road. It's very whoopy and sandy, but we've just got to continue to the east for another good 3-4 miles here, and we'll be over to the wet, sloppy area, if it even is. Like I said, it hasn't rained in a while. There are some other things I'd like to check out down there, but for now, let's just continue eastward. right, so this is the area that starts to get real messy, sloppy in here. You've got this big water hole here. I know for sure that thing is very deep. There's no sense in even messing around with that. I'm curious though, since this usually has way more water in it, but I'm curious as to what is over here and what the condition of this area is. Oh, and that's how it is. It's very soft. This is the type of stuff that'll get you in real trouble here. Stuff that just sinks and sinks. Oh yeah. Someone's been having a good go at it, but I think we'll take the safe bypass for this one. For sure on this one. Just gonna keep continuing on here a little bit and get on up to the more moderate stuff. This is the bypass here, just very easy, go around. Well, this is the next impasse. There is a go around, a nice, safe, easy way to do this, but I have never seen the water level this low on this one. It doesn't change the fact that it's very big. It's very big, and I'm pretty sure it's deep. But what I'm looking at is this edge line here. I'm willing to bet I can make it across that. Let's find out. That one scared me. I got worried for a second there. It dropped off pretty hard. So I didn't realize that if you made it through that you would then be met with a gate on the other side of it. To the right there is where the bypass comes through and continues down the power line road there. So unfortunately we're gonna have to double back and go down the bypass either way. All right, guys, well, being that I've lost all my light out here, I'm gonna start working my way home. I've just had a great day out here. I've seen some new stuff. I've had a great time in the messy, sloppy area down here in the southeastern portion of the power line roads. But for now, you guys have a great week, and I'll catch you on the next one.